Well, all right. Well, I just took a very hot shower with my road shower. I definitely needed it. I'm actually out here at the Badlands, and it gets about 95 degrees that day, during the day, so very, very hot, very sweaty, and so I definitely needed a shower tonight. So yeah, this is how I shower when I'm on the road, and that is a question I get asked a lot: is how do I keep clean when I'm on the road full time, living in a teardrop trailer? So I thought I'd address that today. Now I'm actually going to cut to a video I've already previously made and posted titled 24 Hours in a Teardrop. I'll put that right here. If you're curious on seeing what my day looks like every day, basically, from waking up in the morning to making food to maybe just going on hikes and how do I shower, you can watch that entire video. But I realize that video is kind of long at 24 minutes, and maybe not everybody wants to watch the entire thing. You may just be interested in how I use my road shower. So I'm going to go ahead and cut to that video right now, and if you have any more questions about how I live in a teardrop trailer and some of the things I do daily, by all means, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to address them. Thanks a lot. All right, so what I did is I have this pop-up tent here, and I've done that right in front of the door to the teardrop, and you can see inside of here, I have up there, I'm trying to do this one-handed, up there in that little bag, I have soap and I have shampoo, and that's a little mat with that so the ground doesn't get all muddy and I'm stepping in mud. I have that little rubber mat. And then right here is where I have my towel, and I have jeans and stuff ready to go, so because that way no one can see me, because I actually have some campers way over there. I don't know if you can see it, there's like a little white thing. There's way over there, and then I have some neighbors here. So to get a little bit of privacy during my shower, I position it this way so no one will be able to peek in. I'll just reach into the doorway to grab my towel when it's ready. All right, so here's my road shower. It's a 4-gallon tank, and it's just a metal black tank. And so what happens is you fill this up with water right there, and then the sun heats this up all day. And I mean, I've taken a scorching hot shower with it. But like I said, today, I don't even know if it's gonna pick up on there, like around 86 or something like that. All right, so how am I gonna pressurize this? So the way I'm pressurizing this is with a electric pump plugged up. Right now it's not plugged up to anything, but it's gonna be plugged up to my car, and then this will pressurize it. So I'm gonna turn this on. That's gonna get a flow of water from the tank into here. Now this is an RV shower head, and what that means is there's gonna be a little switch here. The sun's right behind me, so it's a little bit of a glare. There's a little switch here, okay? That switch, if I push it from one side to the next, stops the flow of water coming out of here. So this way you're not, you're reserving water, as much water as you can during a shower, because, I mean, when you're in a shower, it's nice to have water just beating down on you, but when you're in an RV or anything like this, when you got limited water, you can't just have it just pour down on top of you. You run out of water in the middle of the shower. So you turn this off when you're not using it to save the water coming out of here. Lather up, shampoo your hair, whatever you need to do. And then when you're ready to rinse off, you press this to the other side and the water will come out. What I'll do is, since the shower head's attached over here, and I got my shower, my little shower privacy curtain over here, I'm gonna unhitch this and run it through here, and then that'll give me, should be pretty good when I'm in there. I can just have it hang from there. So yeah, so I'll show you it turned on with a flow of water, and then I'm gonna shower. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. I'll show you how much the water comes out. So you can hear that. So it's got some pretty good pressure to it. All right, well, that was a little chillier than I thought. I think it's a little cooler than 86 degrees. I would have to guess I was in the 70s somewhere. Obviously, not the most ideal shower in the world, but that's how I shower on the road when I don't have a Planet Fitness near me, and that's usually how I shower, is Planet Fitnesses when I can get to them. I'd say I probably do the road shower, I don't know, a quarter of the time. You know, when you live on the road full time, you don't shower every day. It's only been like 3 days maybe since I got my last shower, and that was at a Planet Fitness. and so I've been just using wet wipes every night. But again, I've been hiking past 2 days pretty good. Yesterday's hike was 10 hours in the heat, and today was 7.5, and most of the heat. So yeah, I was needing a shower. All right, so to depressurize this, I'm just gonna lift up on this valve. And that's gonna take all the pressure out of the tank. That way, the next time I go to put water in here, oh, the sun's right in my eyes. Now it's right in the camera. Next time I go put water in here, this doesn't just explode like a radiator cap under pressure. Yeah, so you definitely want to do that. I'm gonna refill my road shower with this 4-gallon water tank. All right, the reason I'm gonna fill up the road shower with this 4-gallon tank of water right here is because that is much easier to refill than that is. I can take this blue jug anywhere and refill it with water. There's a place in town where you can get potable water, and I'll refill it there, and that can also be my drinking water. But this, I have to drive the whole Teardrop somewhere and get it to a place. And if there's no hose at the place where there's water, then I'm putting it in there anyways, in that blue container anyways, and filling it up there. So it's just easier this way. That's it. I'll empty about half of this into here because I think I only use about 2 gallons to shower today. But normally I use about 3. So I'll just sit here and wait. All right, next road shower is ready to go. I hope that was helpful for anybody who was interested. If you have questions about how I live in a Teardrop trailer full-time as I travel the country, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to make future videos about it. Thanks for watching.